Welcome to APC Solution. Today we're going to open up the Google Home Mini and Chromecast. See what the packaging is like. So they pretty much just packaged the regular boxes inside the original. And you get this wonderful little insert. Here's our Chromecast. Magnet. Plug in to HDMI. Got a little power adapter. We got the nice Chrome logo on there. Basic setup instructions, and that's it for that. Pamphlet, and we have the power cord. And that's that. And realistically, that's everything you care about.
If you like this video, please make sure to hit that like button, and if you want to be notified about future videos, please make sure you hit the subscribe button. Thanks again for watching.